Go ahead. Is Ashley putting on her own lip gloss?
72. That seems to be a chapstick.
It is.
Why you say which?
Well, girls call it lip gloss. Here's your lip. Watch. Now, mommy teach you. You roll it back down, and then you put the cap on.
Who's playing there?
Snoopy.
What teams are playing?
Cowboys. So about to punt.
Is that Angela's present load? Oh, yeah. Oh, Daddy's home. No, Daddy's on duty.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. On Christmas Day.
Somebody has to be.
Oh, that's just sad. Oops, you missed. Very nice.
Yes, someone's
Ooh, it smells good. It smells like peppermint. You want to try that one now? Okay. Well, why don't we just keep one open at a time? When this one runs out, then we open up the other guy. Okay, what else is in Ashley's stuff? You need to finish yours too?
Yeah, I finished mine.
What's in there? Thank you.
The Steelers, the first play, they didn't get a
You
first down.
Crayons for you?
Yeah.
Nicholas got crayons and Ashley got crayons. Thank you. Those are your crayons, right?
Yes.
Can help you with her. Put it in here. Oh, Ashley, there's one more in there. I have no idea what's in there.
There's another.
She opens so cute. No, it's here. What's that? And there's Ashley's rice snacks. Oh boy. Those look pretty yummy. One more in there? Wow. They have to shove a lot of things in those stockings. That is Rudolph on the paper. I don't know if Rudolph's in there, but Rudolph's on the paper. Let's see what's in there. Can you open it up?
Ooh, some of the guys are going to have to go inside. Oh, they have to take a man off the field.
20 men on the field?
And the rest. Now this is the second try.
What is that, Ash?
I know.
What's that?
How
How else can you look on your underwear? Those stickers? Oh boy, you got Hello Kitty underwear, stickers, barrettes.
One more.
There's more in there?
Need more.
Oh, you need more. Oh gosh.
Need more.
All right, let's see what you want to